Hello everyone, welcome back to my presentation. My name is Ruchi HP. I am the student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore, from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. And today's my subject is Object-Oriented Program with Java. Topic: Class and Object, Method Overloading, Method Overriding. Contents: Introduction to class and object, creating a class, declaring and initializing objects, class member, access modifier, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction. Introduction to method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading with example, method overriding with example, benefits of method overloading, benefits of method overriding. Conclusion. Introduction to class and object. In Java, a class is a blueprint or a template for creating an object. Objects are an inheritance of class that represent the real-world entities. Classes and objects are fundamental components in object-oriented programming. Creating a class. To create a class in Java, uses the keyword class followed by the class name. A class have field or variables to store data and methods to perform actions. The structure of class includes access modifier, class name, field, methods. Declaring and initializing object. To create an object in Java, use the new keyword followed by the class name and parenthesis. Object can be assigned to variable of the name class type. Multiple objects can be created from a single class. Class members. Class members include the fields, constructors, and methods. Fields store data and represent the state of an object. Constructor initialize the objects and method performs actions or provide functionalities. Access modifiers. Access modifier controls the visibility and accessibility of class member. The four access modifiers in Java are public, private, protected, and default. Public members can be accessed from anywhere. Private member can only be accessed within the class. Protected members can be accessed within the package and subclasses, and the default members can be accessed within the package. Inheritance. Inheritance allows classes to inherit properties and methods from the other classes. The parent classes is called as a superclasses and the child class is called as subclasses. Subclasses can add new features or modify existing ones. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is a mechanism to hide the internal details of a class and provide access only through methods. It helps in achieving data security and prevent unauthorized access. Getter and setters are used to access and modify the encapsulated data. Polymorphism. Polymorphism allows the object of different classes to be treated as an object of common superclasses. It enables the method to be defined in multiple classes within the same name but different implementations. Polymorphisms helps in writing a flexible and reusable code. Abstraction. Abstraction focus on hiding unnecessary details and exposing only essential features. Abstraction classes and interference are used to achieve abstraction in Java. Abstract classes cannot be instated, and interface defines a contract for implementing classes. Introduction to method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading and method overriding are the two important concepts in Java that allow the developers to create more flexible and reusable code. Method overloading occurs when multiple methods in the class have the same name but different parameters. Method overriding, on the other hand, happens when a subclass provides a specific implementations of a method that is already defined in its superclasses. Here we can see the difference of method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading. In method overloading, methods have the same name but different parameters such as different data types or different number of parameters. The compiler determines which method to call based on the number and the types of argument passed. Method overloading helps improve the code readability and maintainability by allowing developer to the same method name for similar operation. Method overloading example. Here we can see the Java program. Public class calculator, public int add of int a and int b, return a plus b. Public double add, double a, double b, return a plus b. In this example, the calculator class has two methods that accepts different two data types, int and double. When calling the add method, the compiler will choose the appropriate method based on the argument passed. Method overriding. Method overriding occurs when a subclasses provide a specific implementations of a method that is already defined in its superclass. The method signature, name and parameter must be the same in both the superclass and subclass. Method overriding allows for polymorphic behavior where a subclass object can be treated as an instance of its superclass. Method overriding example. Here the Java program. Public class animal, public void make sound, system.out.print of animal makes a sound. Public class dog extends animal at override, public void make sound, system dot out dot print dog barks. In this example, the dog class overrides the make sound method defined in the animal class to provide a specific implementations for dog. When calling make sound on a dog object, the overridden method in the dog class will be executed. Benefits of method overloading. Method overloading allows for cleaner and more readable code by using the same method name for similar operations. It provides flexibility by allowing the methods to accept different types and number of parameters. Method overloading can improve code maintainability by reducing the number of method names and making code more consistent. Benefits of method overriding. Method overriding enables polymorphic behavior where a subclass object can be treated as an instance of its superclass. It allows for customization and specialization of behavior in subclass. Method overriding promotes code reusability and extensibility by providing a way to modify the behavior of inherited method. Conclusion. Method overloading and method overriding are essential concepts in Java that allows developer to create more flexible and reusable code. Understanding the difference between method overloading and method overriding is crucial for writing the efficient and maintainable Java program. By applying a method overloading and method overriding appropriately, developer can improve a code readability and maintainability and extension ability in their Java applications. Thank you.